In a couple of weeks, I'll be traveling to the Gambia from the UK, and I'm actually really excited about that trip. I may share details of that trip in a later video, but for now, in this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to buy a travel insurance. So, as part of preparations for my trip, I need to buy a travel insurance. In this video, which is going to last for just about 5 to 7 minutes, I'll keep everything really snappy. I'm going to be walking you through how I'll buy my travel insurance. Now, you can get your travel insurance from different places. You can buy online, you can also buy in person. But I'm going to be showing you how to buy it online. And the advantage of the method I'm going to show you is that you'll be able to compare prices before you make a decision on which one to go for. Let's get into it. When you go to your browser and type how to buy travel insurance, it will present you with different options, but we're going to go for Money Supermarket. You can also go to your browser and just type MoneySuperMarket.com. However we get here, what we know is that we're looking for Money Supermarket, yeah? Now, why we're going for Money Supermarket is because it's a price comparison site. Think of it like Skyscanner. You know how Skyscanner shows you prices for air tickets from different airlines, and then you can compare prices and go for the best or the cheapest option, whatever works for you. That's what Money Supermarket does. But it does it for things like travel insurance, credit cards, loans, things related to money basically. So the first thing we want to do is go to start a quote. The next page that opens up is going to have different questions that we need to answer for it to be able to give us quotes from different providers. First thing we can see is that we can buy travel insurance for a year, we can buy for a single trip, we can buy for up to 18 months. It's going to ask you where you're going to, it's going to ask you how long your trip is going to be for, and a couple of other questions. The questions are not much. I don't know how many they are, but they're not much for sure. It's something you can easily answer in 2 minutes or even less. Once you're done answering all these questions, next thing you want to do is click on continue. So it's searching for different offers, and now we can see offers from different providers. So Cover for You is a provider, Sedatory is a provider, A to Z is a provider. If you had any other thing that you wanted to cover for that you didn't add in the previous page, you can add it here before choosing a provider. You can also see that it shows us the quotes in ascending order of prices. So Cover for You is the cheapest, followed by Sedatory, XYZ. It's quite a healthy list here, so we can easily choose what we want. But before making a decision, don't just think about the price of the insurance. What you also want to consider is the rating of the insurance provider. Cover for You has a 5-star rating, which is excellent. Sedatory has a 4-star rating, which is good. It's not 5-star, but 4-star is also good. A to Z has a 2-star rating, which isn't so great, so I wouldn't be going for A to Z insurance. You can also further research about these providers. If you wanted to know what people think about these providers, apart from what has been provided here, you can do further research. Now, the reason we need to know how well perceived a provider is because you want to be sure that you buy a travel insurance from a provider you can trust, or from a provider that has like good track record. Because if anything happens, you want to have that assurance that your travel insurance provider is going to come through for you. I'm going to go for Cover for You, not just because they are the cheapest, but as I said before, because they have the best rating. You can easily just go here and get your deal. The next page is going to give you a breakdown of what the policy you're about to buy is going to cover. If I was going for this £28 policy, I can see it covers things like cancellation up to £1,500, medical, baggage loss, and all that. You can also compare the other offers it's giving you to see if you would gain more by upgrading. So as an example, if you travel a couple of times annually, you find that it may be better for you to go for this policy that will cover your annual trip than to buy a £28 policy every time you want to go on a trip. So that's it, guys. It's really very fast, very easy to get a travel insurance. Once you make a decision on which one you want to go for, you can just click on buy policy and make the necessary payments. With that, we've come to the end of this video. Before you bounce, please take a second or two to subscribe to this channel, like the video, share with your friends. If you have any questions, just ask them in the comment section below and I'll answer to the best of my ability.